Welcome to our channel. Today we how to deploy networking strategies with LinkedIn, complete guide step by step clearly. Create a LinkedIn account if you don't already have one. Complete your profile with a professional photo and a compelling headline. Write a detailed summary that showcases your skills and experience. Identify your target audience by defining who you want to connect with. Research relevant groups within your industry to join. Engage with content posted in these groups by commenting and sharing insights. Craft a list of potential connections based on your industry and shared interests. Send personalized connection requests to these individuals. Follow up with a thank you message after they accept your request. Share valuable content regularly on your profile to showcase your expertise. Utilize LinkedIn's publishing platform to write and share longer articles. Monitor LinkedIn for trending topics within your industry. Connect with thought leaders and engage with their posts to enhance visibility. Use LinkedIn Analytics to assess which posts perform best and refine your strategy. Participate in discussions and answer questions to establish your authority. Consider hosting or participating in LinkedIn live sessions for real-time interaction. Leverage LinkedIn ads if your budget allows to reach a wider audience. Consistently update your profile and network to reflect your evolving career. Utilize recommendations and endorsements to strengthen your profile credibility. Evaluate your networking efforts regularly and adjust strategies as needed. Stay active and committed to building relationships with your connections. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.